just driven 75 miles. About, how long did that take? About an hour and 40 minutes, an hour and 50 minutes to come to Nibbles Café in Kent. And we've driven this far for one reason only, and you'll see when we get inside. We've come all this way because your breakfast gets brought to you on a little train. So funny. Oh, slice of cake. Is that one called James? Yeah. I like the little noise it makes. It's so funny. Thank you. And the people were really nice. We spoke to the owners after we'd finished eating, and he was saying how he came up with the idea, that where he saw on Instagram that in Prague there's a place where they bring your beers around to you on little trains, so then that gave him the inspiration to do his cafe like that. And it's only been like that for 6 or 8 weeks or something, he said. But yeah, it's definitely worth a visit. It's really sweet. But he recommended a few places to go nearby where we were. He recommended, what was it? Bodine Castle, which we did just go there. We've just pulled up, but it's to pay to get in. It's National Trust, and we weren't really heading out to spend lots of money today, and just to wander around the castle. And it's really busy because it's half term, so we're actually heading back towards home. We saw a little farm shop type thing on the side of the road. I want to stop there and maybe just stop in any towns on our way, just see what we see. It's not what I imagined.
Did you imagine?
Well, this isn't like the picture. The picture was just a brick wall in the middle of a fence. Maybe this is... Oh no, that was the other one that I was looking at, wasn't it?
Yeah, look, one.
Oh, you are right.
Wait. I'd say that's no. Fucking hell.
Maybe to stop you from going in there.
Who's my old foot down there?
Medieval doodling.
What?
Medieval doodling. Try again. Wow. They take the safety really seriously.
There's a bridge. I wonder what the scaffolding's for. The gatehouse.
I'm just heading back to the little gift shop for a postcard to add to my little collection. And the reason I was confused when we first got here is because I was looking at a heritage site in St Albans this morning as well as this one, because we weren't sure what one we were going to come to, so that's why I thought it was bigger than I imagined it being, because I got confused. Eggs. Wraps. Eggs.
That's black.
Oh, I'm a bit too high up. I'll do the splits. We're back, and Ben wants to go fishing because it's a nice day and meet his friends down there. So instead of going to see our friends tomorrow with their youngest birthday present, we're going to go there today and give him his birthday present, and then come back, and Ben's going to... Oh, you didn't get camembert mashed potato from Tesco's.
I'll get it in a bit.
Ben's going to make me camembert mashed potato because we were going to go to Miller and Carter, but we can't bother to go over to Woking now for dinner.